Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 912, and today's topic is the industrial manufacture of insecticides. When I say insecticides means the chemicals, substances or the mixture of chemical substances, they are capable of destroying or killing the insects. And these insects are the carrier of germs. When I say germs, means they are microbes, and they can be protozoa, bacteria, virus, fungi, and especially the protozoa bacteria. Protozoa is a single cell microorganism. Bacteria is multicellular, so there are two possibilities are there. Some these microbes, they can be single cell, some they can be multicellular like fungi, and fungi is plant like germ. Virus is having genetic material but is not living organism, and these disease causing germs or microbes, they can be destroyed by drugs, by antibacterial, chemotherapy, but at the same time these insects are the carrier of these germs, so we have to destroy both microbes as well as insects. So to destroy the insects we need such type of chemicals. That's why here the insecticides are there. And these microbes, I mean the protozoa, bacteria, fungi, they are causing diseases to animals as well as plants. And there are mainly three sources of and that is insecticides. First, natural source, second, organic synthesis, and third one is inorganic synthesis. If I say natural source, means it is plant sources, and there are a lot of plant sources, insecticides, and the very popular one is that is Peritherium flower extract, and that's Peritherium flower extract is dissolved in kerosene oil, and it is sprayed, and is very poisonous and it will kill instantly. And others are also there, plant origin. There are some mixture of terpenes. Some of them they are killing the insects, some of them they are insect repellent. For example, your lemongrass is having essential oil, the mixture of terpenes, and that terpene is citral geraniol, and that is very good insect repellent, especially the mosquito repellent. And if you take 20-30 drop of lemongrass in 1 glass of water and spray it in your house, there will not be mosquitoes. And even if around your house or in your backyard, if you are planting lemongrass, mint plant, that is holy basil means tulsi in Indian language, they are all containing essential oil, mixture of different type of terpenes, mints, peppermint, and they are all insect repellent, especially the mosquito repellent. So these are all natural sources, like some tobacco plant leaves, nicotine, they are also used as insecticides. So these are all the plant sources. The organic sources are some organic compounds like malathion, DDT, gabaxine. All these are organic synthetic products, and some are inorganic. And the destroying or killing of insects, there are, three classifications of these insecticides. One is that is called stomach poisoning or internal insecticides. Means these insecticides are capable of killing internally these insects. When these insects they come in touch, and these insects may be grasshoppers and caterpillars. The others are that is called external insecticides. They are damaging, destroying from outside, and that is fumigant. They are destroying the respiratory tract of the insects. So these are all different classified form of insecticides. So I will be discussing one by one. So here under industrial manufacture of insecticides, point number one, it is well known fact that many protozoal bacterial diseases are transmitted from man to man by insects. So insects are the carrier of protozoal and bacterial diseases. We may combat these diseases not only by means of chemotherapy or drugs, but also by destroying and killing of germ or insect carriers. So actually we have to fight our disease by destroying the germs as well as by killing these carriers, and these carriers are insects, and that's why we are using such type of chemicals or mixture of chemicals which are capable of killing and destroying the insects are called insecticides. For example, extract of Perithecium flower. Actually, Perithecium flower is well known poison for insects, and Perithecium flower extract is used. And those who are interested in all this essential oil and in this terpene mixture, what it is there in flowers or alkaloids, they can go to YouTube and my lectures from 700 onward up to 730, 700 to 730. There are 30 lectures on these terpenes, essential oil, which are natural source of insecticides, and from 35 to 60, roughly 25 lectures are on alkaloids, that is nicotine. They are also natural insecticides. So you just go to education point, that is my channel, click the lecture number 700, 701 or 702, and then topic will come by Professor Isaac Khan. You will get all the detail there. I have discussed their medicinal properties. So that is Perithecium flower, and that contains a type of ester that is known as perithecins. And these perithecins, they are the insect killers, and they are dissolved in kerosene oil and is used with the help of fluid to spray, and in this way it can help in the destruction or killing of the mosquitoes and other insects. Number two, any substance or mixture of substances used for killing or destroying of insects is called insecticide. So this is the definition of insecticide, or in other words we can say, in other words, insecticides are agents or preparation used for killing or destroying of insects. Number three, insects are usually classified into following three classes according to their mode of action. A, that is stomach poison or internal insecticides. These insecticides which are taken up by the insects are called stomach poisons or internal insecticides. For example, grasshoppers and caterpillar. You can bring a lab. So 3B. First one was that is stomach poison or external insecticides. B is contact or external insecticides. These insecticides destroy the insect simply by external bodily contact. For example, leaf hoppers, thrips and aphids. C. Fumigants. These insecticides act on the insect through the respiratory system. For example, hydrogen cyanide, carbon disulfide, nicotine and para-dichlorobenzene. Insecticides may be classified. The insecticides may be applied as a spray or suspension or dust or as a gas. Chemically speaking, insecticides are classified as natural insecticides, organic insecticides and inorganic insecticides. Now I have given these three insecticides and their names. First one is that is smoke poisons. So smoke poison insecticides are BSC, DDT, methoxychlor, lead arsenate, calcium arsenate, Paris green, NAF, fluorosilicate, compounds of mercury and phosphorus. B, that is contact insecticides. The contact insecticides are BSC, DDT, toxaphene, chloroden, aldrin, dialdrin, methoxychlor, nicotine, perithrin, rotenone, malathion, TEP and parathion. So these are contact insecticides. Fumigants are BSC, hydrogen cyanide that is HCl, carbon sulfide that is CS2, nicotine, para-dichlorobenzene, methyl bromide and ethylene oxide. So these are all these three type of insecticides. One is internal, stomach poison, second one is external and third one is that is fumigants. They are available nowadays throughout the world. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.